Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to check for codes on your car using the cluster. This is actually very easy, and you can get a whole lot of information, more than usual, just by following this procedure. And I'll have the page, what the different numbers mean right below, but this is the procedure for it. So what you do is you go over here to the stock, and then you select check controls. So you press BC to activate, and as you can see, I do have something to look for, so I keep pressing it. Just press it for a little bit longer, and as you can see, I got a code CC ID 132, and then I'm adjusting again, CC 131, CC 132. So those two are the different codes. I know what those mean. That means that my lights, the halo lights, are out, both the left and the right. But I'll look up the code so you can see what that means. And yeah, basically you can do that all from right here, from the stock. I'm going to do it one more time so you can see it. So I'm going to go to check control, activate, and then I'm going to press BC now for about 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there it is. 132, CCID 132 and CCID 131. That's how you check it. So you can see I'm also getting the information on the right there on the bottom as to what they are, but not all BMWs have the navigation, so you won't be able, most actually don't have the navigation. So but you can get the code like this, and you'll be able to get more information as to what's wrong with your car. Again, I'll post what all those codes mean right below.